In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get the Arclight camo here on the MK.78 in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If you're already at the top of the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, what you're going to want to do is open up the gunsmith on the MK78 and go over to the customize tab and into the camo section, more specifically the multiplayer section right here. This is where you're going to see all of the challenges required in order to go ahead and unlock the Arclight skin here on the MK78, but the main requirement for this is getting shattered gold here on the MK78 first. Now, I have a full video here on the MK78 breaking down exactly what you need to do if you want to get shattered gold quickly here on the MK78. I highly recommend checking out this video because that's going to break down the special camos and the military camos and the exact strategy that you can use to get it extremely quickly. But on top of that, we do have to get shattered gold on one other LMG in the game before we can continue. Once again, we have a video going over the base LMGs. Check that out if you want a full breakthrough. But once you do get shattered gold on that, we can finally move on to this challenge, which is 10 double kills or better with the MK78. Now, surprisingly, this is super easy to go ahead and do. All you really need to do in order to do this is obviously just play something like Hardpoint. I recommend Hardpoint for this, but any objective-based game mode will work. And essentially just sit right outside that hard point as people are running in, go ahead and take out two of them very quickly. And this is actually super easy to do on an LMG. But take them out real quickly and you'll knock out a double kill. And then you just got to repeat this step 10 times. It's essentially just 20 kills, except each of them you have to get double kills for. So it's pretty simple. But yeah, if you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there, so we can help you out further. But before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.